once again. I'm at the Roane County Animal Shelter. Talked about Billy a little bit on my live feed this morning, but Tanya's going to talk about Billy.
So this is Billy. His owners had a emergency in the family. No longer take care of Billy. So we offered to take in Billy and try to find him a home, maybe send him to rescue. He's a good little fella. He leads just like a dog, very friendly. There was dogs around him, so he's used to dogs. He's probably 4 years old, maybe 5 years old. We're not 100% sure. He loves people. He loves his grass too.
You said you might have someone for him to go?
We may have someone who's interested in him. And if not, we'll try to get him into a rescue where he can live out his days on the farm. He's a good little fella. He's a little pygmy goat.